Nobody tells you this part. Nobody tells you that becoming a manager means becoming less visible. Nobody tells you that success will feel slower, messier, and less satisfying at first. Nobody tells you that your old instincts will work against you this time. So here's a pattern I see all the time. A new engineering manager says, I just want to help. So they step in, they rewrite code, they rework decisions, they answer questions too quickly. And for a while, everyone is relieved. Until the team stops thinking, until people stop owning problems, until the manager becomes the bottleneck. Yes, the bottleneck. And then the manager feels even more exhausted and confused. So this is the paradox.